So this video is very much dedicated for the pixel peepers out there and the people who really want to see the quality coming out of this camera. So I wanted to put together this video real quick to show you guys the quality of 4K you're gonna get out of the DJI Pocket 4P, or I should say the quality you would expect to get out of the DJI Pocket 4P in unhindered glory. Now I know in the previous video I had uploaded, even though I shot everything in 4K, I uploaded the footage in standard HD. Now I do have some controversial opinions on uploading footage in 4K and editing footage in a 4K timeline, but I just want you guys to enjoy some of these shots that I was able to grab with the DJI Pocket 4P and uploaded them in 4K for you guys. I'll be honest with you guys. The reason why I'm even putting this video together is I want to ask people out there, you guys, do you really care about 4K, or do you watch footage in 4K? My unpopular opinion is for several reasons, but I'll start with my first reason why I don't think every video needs to be 4K, even though, don't get me wrong, I recommend recording everything in the highest quality. But as far as like editing in the timeline and uploading it, I don't think the videos need to be 4K, because the majority of the people who are watching these videos on YouTube are watching them on their phones. And I, for one, don't watch footage in 4K, even if it was recorded in 4K. Normally, I watch a lot of the videos on YouTube in 1080p because I don't want to deal with any issues with my cellular data, and the playthrough isn't smooth sometimes if you try to watch a video at 4K on your phone. It also doesn't make sense because the quality doesn't look that much different on a small screen. Now, I think if you're gonna do any type of like professional paid work, I think it would make sense to of course, work within a 4K timeline and, export the footage at a higher quality for client work. But I think if we're just making videos for YouTube, I don't think every video needs to be 4K. And in my opinion, editing within a 4K timeline is a pain in the butt. Like, just putting this video together, DaVinci Resolve crashed 3 times. Maybe it might crash the 4th after I am done recording this segment and I put it in the timeline to deliver this video. I think moving forward, I probably won't be uploading my videos in 4K because I really genuinely don't see the point in going through the trouble of like editing in 4K in a 4K timeline and then uploading 4K, dealing with the long export times and then upload times and dealing with the bigger files. I don't know, but I could be wrong, but I'm open to somebody changing my mind or giving me feedback. Maybe there are a lot of people out there who consume content in 4K. I don't. So I figured if somebody who's like video film connoisseur as I am, I don't consume footage in 4K, then I think there's probably a lot of people out there like me. So I'm still working on the review for the Pocket 4P. I'm working hard to get this video out, this week, and sacrificing sleep so to get this video out, the review video. But I just want to put this video real quick for the Pixel Peepers, and I know somebody had commented like questioning why I uploaded the footage in 1080p. I still do record my footage at 4K, but I've came down to the realization that I just don't think it's necessary for me to upload every video in 4K. My actual Pocket 4 review might actually not be in 4K. We'll see. It just depends on how everything comes together and how the workflow works. I genuinely believe if you're a good creator and you know what you're doing, I think the story should always matter. Sometimes we get hung up on all these specs and all this stuff, and it's just like fluff. It's like, brother, like if you can tell a good story in 720, I think people will be like, you know what? All right, it's a good story. I think 1080p is good enough, in my humble opinion. But hopefully you enjoyed the footage that I captured in 4K. And like always, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for that Pocket 4P review.